Hello, friends. I'm Jesse. This is Tyler. This is the Tyler right here.
Yep.
This is Thursday night. May the what?
That's a good question. 13th?
Something like that. We're gonna kick things off as usual with a little snack.
With a backwards Hershey bar.
You're the only person I know that likes these almond Hershey bars as much as me.
They're good. Good mixture of chocolate and nut.
Hey, look at you. We're both being all patriotic tonight.
Yep.
Show them your shirt. Oh yeah. Mine ain't got black guns on it. I thought it was cool yours. Oh, you got the grunt.
Uh-huh.
The grunt style.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My mother-in-law got me this
That's
from,
cool.
something, I forget. Maybe Christmas? I think that's what I got. But yeah. Another midnight snack at 10 o'clock.
Yep. Anyway. Hadn't been in the shop since the last video
That's right.
that y'all haven't seen yet.
Yep. I'm dragging.
But you'll see it
I'm slacking.
before you see this, so I didn't even have to say that. Right.
That's a good point. Yeah.
Anyway.
If you hadn't seen that video before you see this one, go back and look at that
Stop
video.
right here. Go back.
But not before you hit the thumbs up button.
Right. And subscribe.
Yeah. And drop Jesse some comments. Yep.
So, yeah, I hadn't been in here since that I glued the scales to the liners. So tonight, we'll show you how that went, how the glue up went. I'm going to try to get them fitted to the handles and drill some holes and all that good stuff. And depending on what time it is when we get to that point, maybe we can get some liners glued on the scales. That's a whole lot of steps, so I don't know. We'll just have to see when we get there. Right,
Yeah,
Tyler?
that's right. Yeah, boy.
Anyway, y'all sticking here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us tonight. We love you. Hang in there. Come on. All right, y'all. We're gonna get started here. I'm Jesse. This is the MountainPrevail Knife Shop. So, I come up here in the shop earlier and I went ahead and unclamped these things off of my piece of channel. And I just took a razor knife and cleaned up the edges, just barely. And you can see what how the tape stuck to the liners somewhat. But that's to be expected, the way we glue them up. But anyway, so I'm going to put me another piece of sandpaper back on the stone. And I'm going to clean them back off just a hair. Trace out the shape of the knife handle on it. We'll go ahead and get each scale paired to a particular knife, and that's the knife that it'll stay on. Stick them.
Stick them. You gotta slick them and stick them.
That's right. I was hoping you'd catch that. We've showed you slick them. Now presenting you stick them.
Another unofficial sponsor of MountainPrevail. It's stuck.
Nope,
It's
not really at all. It will. That other one got better.
oh, a can of non-stick 'em.
Non-stick 'em. Trash. What about there? Now, there's got a little glue or epoxy hump or two on it, or I made a mess with that crap. I'll go ahead and flatten it back off. Just so, like I say, so it'll lay flat when I'm drilling them. Good enough. Gotta watch out, boys. She's sharp. Alrighty. There's that. Y'all hang with us. I'm gonna get the blades over here and get them mated up to some handles and mark some lines and go down to the bandsaw and I'm out. Are we recording yet?
We're recording now.
Alright, good. Good. That's the reason you're here.
Yeah, that's right. Gotta tell them what you're gonna do there.
Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. As you can see here, by what I got right here in my hand.
They can see now.
Can they see it now?
They can see it now.
You see right here where the G10 liners are hanging out from in amongst the
What was that word?
in amongst.
Yeah.
From in amongst the scales there. Why can't I say that word? Box elder. Not boxwood. Box elder. Box elder burl. Yeah. I keep wanting to call them boxwood. That's a bush.
They're gonna get dizzy.
Anyway, I'm just going to trim them up just a little bit so I can see a little better on what's what before I go to marking out the shape of the handle on them. Okay. Now, let me show you how I lay these things out. You can't mix them if you got them numbered. All right. How that works. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. There's no rules to it that says where handles have to start and stop, or if they're on angle or square or whatever. It's just what looks good to you. If you're making a knife, make it the way you want to make it. And I do prefer these some knives I like for that. You know, you can put an angle on the top of the handles. It looks cool. But on these Bushcrafters, I like you know, where the handle stops to be just kind of square there, right? So what I'm gonna do here, get the marker out of my other ear. Now bring her back down here, Tyler. All right, so I made me a little pencil mark, just a quick little reference line, and I'm gonna put a little mark there with a Sharpie where that one is, and on this side I'm gonna put a little mark there with a Sharpie because that's where I want it. Now, these scales here is not really going to matter which way I turn them. All right, so all I need to do here is make sure that I got, you know, obviously got handle scale material covering everything everywhere, and make sure it's past your mark on the front. And I'm just going to give this just a quick little trace with the pencil. Go past your marks on the where it stops there. Now right here on the sides, I can just kind of go where my Sharpie point is. There. Here and make a mark. So now you see my handle traced out there. So then all I gotta do is just take something. Just happens to be a straight edge laying here in front of me. It worked out great.
That wasn't planned.
Worked out great. And I'm just gonna connect the dots with a good straight line. And there is the right side to scale number 1.
Oh, that's perfect.
So keep it stupid simple, man. That's what I do. That's the way I roll. Stupid simple. Keep it simple, stupid. However you want to look at it. All right, here's another thing. Let me tell you this. And I may or may not have done this in the past. So I just marked this one out, right? Just don't screw up and do the same thing twice, right? When you do this one, make sure you flip the knife over. Because you don't want to get ready to glue them up and realize you got 2 of the same side. You can't have a scale on the outside and then scale on the inside.
Why not?
Two-tone. Deadly. Exactly like arts and crafts.
It's a little sharper.
I ain't forgot nothing, Miss Graham told me. Especially the part where don't get out of your seat unless your pants is on fire.
That's right.
I think she taught it Marion. Did you have her, by the way? She was a real heller. I'll try to explain this so you can so you can understand me. All right. Cut them out. There it is. 3 bands later on the bandsaw. They're cut out. Cutting G10, man, with a wood cutting bandsaw is just complete hell. It's horrible. I gotta get a portaband to do this with. A metal cutting blade. It is 1 in the morning. Dang it, Tyler.
It is.
All right. Here we go. I'm ready to line them up and drill some holes, and yeah, man, one step closer to gluing them up and having some finished knives here. So, yeah, boy. You videoing? All right, y'all. We're done. You can't tell. Time is it? It's late. It's late. That's all for tonight's episode. Always late. You got anything on your heart?
I think I got it all off my heart earlier.
So sorry this video wasn't just packed full of knife making information. This is just that's the step that has to happen.
Part of
It
it.
just happens to be a kind of a boring one, but it's just part of the process. So anyway, if you hung in here with us till the end of this one, thank you so much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Don't give it a thumbs down. That ain't cool at all.
Not right.
We don't appreciate that.
Having fun. Thumbs ups are fun.
Yeah, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And we'll keep making videos, and it's going to be awesome. In the next video, we'll drill some holes in the scales and get them all pinned and glued up, and then we'll get to the good stuff. Then we'll start churning out some finished knives, and that's what I'm excited about. Like I say, that's my favorite parts, sculpting those handles. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, y'all keep them sharp. Real sharp. Still videoing?
Yep.
You don't need to say anything else?
I think we're good.
Because I got it.
Yeah.
Good night.